Kilala nyo ba ang sarili nyo at yung cycle nyo? So, let's talk about dysmenorrhea. So, definition. Dysmenorrhea is defined as pain during the menstrual cycle. This pain is usually located in the lower abdomen or yung puson and may radiate to the inner thighs and back. There are two kinds of dysmenorrhea. Primary and secondary. Primary dysmenorrhea means there is no associated diseases or underlying problem. Talagang nagdi-dysmenorrhea ka lang. And secondary dysmenorrhea is menstrual pain due to an underlying disease, disorder, or structural abnormality within or outside the uterus. For comparison, ito yan. Yung primary dysmenorrhea is caused by natural uterine contractions due to high prostaglandin concentration. So, aimed to shed its lining. And secondary dysmenorrhea means na may problem kaya ka nagpe-pain. So, it can be due to endometriosis, your myoma, your pelvic inflammatory diseases, adenomyosis, mga ganon. Meron ding other symptoms associated with dysmenorrhea. Kaya minsan, you also have gastrointestinal symptoms such as your nausea, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, vomiting, and indigestion. So, kasama yon para kang nagpi-PMS. And irritability, headache, low back pain, meron din yon. So, anong management natin? For pain, you can do your warm compress, pain relievers. Pero, if may cause ng dysmenorrhea, you do your medical management or surgery. Kaya, always consult your OBGYN.